Nilagay ko yung bacon. Tulong-tulo na siya. Okay. Walang heavy cream, so half and half lagay ko. Okay lang. Tansya-tansya lang, you guys. Yan. Creamy. Toscana soup. The famous soup from Olive Garden. Isa sa paborito ng alaga ko to. So, yan. And she loves soup. Kunti pa. There. Then, pakuluan lang ng isang beses. Tapos na. Ayan, tapos na. Tuscan soup. Italian. Kale po yung green na yan. Kale. Patayin ko ng apoy. There you have it, you guys. Masarap na soup ito. Malinamnam. It's with pork sausage. And yung bacon na trinay ko kanina. That's it.